Come test drive the 2026 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass. Come take a test drive today.